Generating some of your own electricity can be as simple as installing solar panels on the roof of your home. But what happens when solar production doesn't match up with your home's energy demand? Is it possible to generate solar power and store it until needed? SRP is partnering with Arizona State University to find a solution. This lithium-ion battery could hold the answer.
There's 4 components to the system: the solar PV panel, the battery system, which is a lithium-ion battery, and the control system in the box. And then ASU build a load to simulate SRP's load.
Load is the amount of electricity needed to run a home or business. The battery would be based at your home, connected to the solar panels.
We try to develop a new method how we can calculate, how we can optimize the battery size, which is a major question for a Salt River project.
Demand for electricity normally builds throughout the day and peaks during the late afternoon. Researchers hope the battery can store energy generated midday, when solar panels make the most energy, to offset some of the later afternoon demand. It's a question of better matching supply and demand.
How does a solar and storage system allow us to move demand away from our peak, demand away from the most intensive time on our system, and away from that?
A sustainable solution such as this looks promising for the future, thanks to SRP's partnership with ASU. We have a long history of working together on research projects that benefit students, customers, and the community. SRP is committed to innovation and ingenuity to embrace new technology and give you more choices in the way electricity is delivered to your home.